iOS 11.4 Beta 3 lets you target AirPlay 2 speakers with Siri. The one big notable feature has to do with AirPlay 2, specifically Siri control for AirPlay 2 devices. So obviously you'll need to have your Apple TV updated to the latest beta, which I do, so let's test this out now. Play the Apple Earnings podcast on Apple TV. So you can use Siri to target AirPlay 2 speakers.
Apple quarterly earnings. Speaking first today is Apple CEO Tim Cook.
Unfortunately, the only AirPlay 2 enabled speaker is the Apple TV with the latest beta firmware. Play Meteor by Jeff Benjamin on Apple TV. And as you can see, it also works for the music app as well. So you can use Siri to target AirPlay 2 speakers courtesy of this latest iOS 11.4 Beta 3 update. Be sure to read Zach's post linked here for more details on AirPlay 2. Let me know what you think in the comments. This is Jeff with 9to5Mac.